Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Wreath Cross knot. So, let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the bell line as usual. I'm just going to over here, I'm going to put in a pinch. I'm going to come over here, bring it around like this, and we're going to do a cylinder. And we're going to come around like this. And then we're going to do a wreath around there, and we're going to come up and over like this. And then we're going to go do a wreath down here like this. Bring it down here like so. Make sure that that wreath is there. And then just bring this kind of across, making a cross like that. There's a cross there, there's a cross there, and then unfold that down there, and then just put your tie clip like that. So there you have it. Again, you guys know what to do. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. There you have your cross right there. So again, all you know, my friends, you're fearful and made, and we'll see you in the next video.